Custom wheels, round, I don't even know what this is anymore, but let's go. Welcome to the channel if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. I literally just got home from a Monday Night Live, and I could not go to sleep thinking about this box. Before we get into this, these wheels are probably already sold. If you see them here, you may not be able to acquire them right away. One of the things you can do, I always post them first in my group. Facebook groups, Bullman Built RC, answer the questions, we'll let you in. You guys actually get first bid on all of these. They are the same price, they're not actually up for bid, but you get dibs on seeing them first. I let them sit in my group for about an hour, and then I put them out on some of the other pages on Facebook. I don't ever get to get them on Instagram because they just don't take that long. They don't sit around. So the easiest way, once again, is just going to be to dump them. There's no easier way to do this. You can't really tell what's what whenever they're in these paper towels that he puts them in. Oh boy. These are all the bags that I send all these things in just to keep them, that's fine, just to keep them separated, so that way they're not beating out each other to death while they are on their way to Travis. There's really no good place to start. I can tell that these are rings. Other than that, I have no idea what I'm even looking at other than a bunch of paper towel. These are all my roost faces. There we go. Roost face. And roost face. Super sick. Super sick. We have gray and citron impacts. Those look really good. That is a very, for a bright citron-y, almost army green color over that gray. That's almost it's not subtle, but it's very subdued, I guess, kind of. It's not as whoa as you would think it would be. Whoa. All right, so here we have the last black and pink tank. Looking killer. Black and light blue tanks. So I believe it's a 6 goes on. What's that? This one? Maybe? Hell, I don't know. Goes on that one. I think it goes on that one. Shit, I don't know. And then a black and light blue goes on the 105s. So the tanks and the 105s are basically, now that I'm looking at the wheel, I think that's a teal color. So it's black over teal on the 105s and black over light blue on the tanks. Ooh, that's pretty bad. Got the black with a ton of clear on it on the impacts. Black with a lot of clear on that one. Clear is basically silver, I guess. Black and silver. Like I said, once again, I don't know how this works. And then another black and clear, black and silver. Man, I don't like 105s, but man, those are good looking. Black with blue, light blue drizzle. Oh, this is a whole different set of. Okay, so this goes here. So I have a set of black with light blue drizzle, and then I have a set of black with a tealish blue acid. So this is another black and blue drizzle, and one more black with blue drizzle. Looking beautimous. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, these are the, oh yeah, red with gray. Man, purple and clear machetes. I like those a lot. I'm a big fan of machetes though, so that doesn't really take much. Gray and red 101s. Okay, so there's the faces for the red and basically dark red. Those are muted. So it's not as poppy as a black and red because the red kind of bled over the black, but it's basically a dark burgundy with red on it. I like that a lot. Those are actually pretty cool. I don't think that's how they were supposed to look, because I think this is one of the sets he said, does this look okay? But I'm pretty sure that people are going to like that, so it just is what it is. And this is going to be one of those things that's going to be hard to duplicate, so maybe this will be a one of one, kind of hard to get again. I don't know. I don't know. I'm stupid. Sorry. Oh, these are it. These might be the ones. Black with purple acid wash machetes. Those are good. Those are pretty good. I'm sure you guys are all going to want those. I'll never be able to keep them. But, whew, I guess if I don't put them out for sale, nobody can buy them, right? Oh, shit. I like those a lot. Those look good. Okay. I gotta let these go. I gotta let them all go. I gotta let them go. You know, I'm doing the world a favor. I'm having them done, making it easy for you guys to get them, and then I have to turn them loose. If I love them, I gotta let them go. All right, 105s with the light blue, teal, acid wash, whatever that is. There is another one. And the last one. Here's the Purdue Impacts, the black and gold. These would look good on like an old school Bronco or something. The black and gold. That black and gold always looks good on an EV. The early Broncos and a black and gold always looks killer. Or gold and black, however you want to do it. Gold and black, and then the black and gold wheels would look good. Let's see what this is. Oh, that is a whole stack of rings. Okay. We'll wait. I did not expect that. Okay, so here is the gray with blue. Okay, this is the last black with blue splatter 105. And a gray with red splatter 101. Ooh, I can see. These are the blue on blue ones that I like the backs of. So I don't know what these are going to be. Oh, those are 310s and they are sick. There you go. 310s, dark blue with light blue acid wash. I like those a lot. I do. Ooh. And that one there. Those are rad. Okay. The last gray and red 101. The purple and silver / clear machete, number 2. And number 3. Black and light blue acid washed tank, 2, 3, and 4. The gray and blue impact, number 2. Number 3. And number 4. Okay, there you go. These are pretty rad. Those are not the same color. Okay, so these are a little different than what I was calling the Pantera wheels. The Pantera wheels are actually black with the custom green splatter, and these are the darker green. This is almost like an army green, not army green. Just like a grass green, kind of. Much more green than like bright. Ridiculous. So those are in 101s. I like those a lot. Those are pretty rad. Those go in here. Those go in there. Those go in there. Oh, wow. Wow, those are cool. These are black and I'm not sure what color that is. That's like a custom green, almost like a monster green, but it's more like yellowy, kind of. Sea foamy. I'm not sure what color that is. Their impacts, that looks really good. And then, ooh, here's the very last dark red on red 101. And the last black and silver impact. Oh man. Black and green impact number 2. Number 3. And number 4. I like the fact that some of them are really heavy. This is the last black and green 101. And some of them are kind of light and all that jazz. This is the last purple and clear. Whoops, knock that off there. The last gray and green citron, whatever color that is, impact. And the first 310 in purple and gold. I definitely think that the acid dip or acid etch, whatever that is pretty much my favorite way to do these wheels now that I know kind of how it works. Very last black and blue 310, which I'm gonna have a hard time letting go. I'd have to let go of a different set of wheels. I don't like any of them that much. Black and purple machetes. This is probably the last one. This should be three of, yep, the purple and gold 310s. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Very rad. Ooh, those are cool as shit. Blue and citron, maybe? 2.2 rings. Those are rad. I like that a lot. Those are super sick. There we go. And number 4. Those are cool as hell. These are the black and gold rings for what I'm calling the Purdue impacts. Oop, that one's upside down. 2 of the black and clear to go on the impacts here. We have 2 of the black and darker green for the 101s. There's a whole ton of rings here. So we have a gray and citron. We have a gray and red 101. Another gray and citron. Purple and gold. Purple and gold. Oh, balls. I hate him. God damn it. Fucking stupid sleeve. Alright. Gray and red. Purple and gold. Purple and clear. Those machetes. Purple and clear number 2. And number 3. The red on red. Red on black, whatever you want to call those 101s. Ugh, these freaking sick looking 310s. The black and greenish, whatever color that is, impacts. Black and, I don't even know what color that is, light blue, teal, whatever. The 105s, this is the black and clear. This is a black and purple for these machetes here. Black and clear, that rounds out all of those black and clear impacts. The black and teal for the 105s. And, oops, black and pink for the tanks. Now, this is going to be the very last big, huge batch of rings. Oh my goodness. These are insanity. Okay, that's right. All right, now I have rings everywhere. Okay. I believe these are Nathan's. These are Monster Green 1.9 rings. Those are not for sale. There you go. They are pretty cool though. There you go. There are those. These are the Axial Green, or maybe these are Citron, and these are, wait, those are Citron. I don't remember. These are also green. It's late. It's like 11:15 or something. Another one. Another one. Yeah, it's past 11. And another one. 6 random blue rings. Not real sure what those go to. I'll have to check my, oh, there's actually 2 more. So I have 8 of those. Not sure what those go to. Those might be his as well. I'm not sure. They're just blue. I don't know. We'll have to see what all comes out. Gray with Citron, that rounds out that set. Purple and clear. There we go. Rounds out that set. the purple and gold. Gets rid of that set. Gray and red. We have 3 of the dark red / black red 101 rings. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. 2 of the purples for the machetes, the black and purple. There we go. Now we have the last black and purple. We have the last 2 of the black and teal color for the 105s. This is black and light blue for the tanks, which is kind of hard to tell the difference for those. But it is what it is, I guess. Black and green for the impacts up here. Black and green for the impact up here. And the last one, black and green for the impact. We have more of the black and blue. Black and blue. Black and blue. The last 3 of the black and pink. Black and pink. Black and pink. And then we have the last for the 105s. Okay, there we go. Now, we have these for the tanks. And now I am, for whatever reason, I have these random ass colored ones. I'm gonna have to get back to him on these because these were supposed to be matching for the 105s and these gray impacts, and they don't. So I think these forgot a step. Or maybe I told them to make them solid. I don't know. I doubt it. Doesn't necessarily look bad. That concludes my Wheel Wednesday extravaganza for this month, probably. I will leave you with a flyover of all of these wheels and all of the rings and everything I got, and then the video will be done. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to check me out on Facebook groups, and Instagram, Bullman Built RC across the board. Check me out, 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, Mondays with Doug and Jordan. And I will see you later. Bye. Okay. I gotta figure out what the fuck.